Hey y'all, Nico here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Nico. Today is day 14 of the Triple R challenge, and we are working on softening the noise. So this will be a mindfulness practice with a dynamic flow. We'll flow from one pose to the next just to help you keep you focused on the present moment. So let's go ahead and get started in a comfortable seated position. After this practice, I recommend that you listen to the tracks on my meditation album, Space, or a mantra to accompany this practice. Those are great tracks if you want to continue your mindfulness afterwards. And I'll remind you at the end. So we'll come to a comfortable seated position. Closing your eyes or lowering your gaze to the floor. Beginning with some breath. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take a second deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Take one more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Good. We'll come back to our natural breath. And see if you can establish that steady breath to use throughout the practice. In and out of your nose if you can. Maybe it's ujjayi breath, maybe it's deep belly breathing. We want to use our breath to accompany our flow, to help keep us rooted in the present moment. Good. On your next inhale, take your hands and bring them to the shoulders. We'll start to rotate them backwards. So inhale the elbows forward and up. Exhale them back and down. Inhale forward and up. Exhale back and down. Inhale forward and up. Exhale back and down. Good. Couple more times with your breath. Good. Let's switch directions. Go back and up. Inhale. Exhale forward and down. Continue moving with your breath. Good. Let's release the shoulders and place the hands on the knees. We'll do some seated cat-cow. We'll take an inhale, arch the spine, lift the chin, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, round the spine, press the shoulders forward, chin to chest. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Good. Keep moving with your breath. Good. One more round here. And come back to a neutral spine. Making your way up to hands and knees. Spread your fingers nice and wide. Let's just rock back and forth over the wrists a couple times. Good. Come back to stillness. From here, we'll tuck the toes under. Lift the hips up and back for Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Pressing the chest towards the thighs, the heels towards the ground. Nice flat back if you're able to. Remember, you can always bend your knees if you need to get that flat back. Good. A couple more breaths in down dog. From here, take an inhale. Extend that right leg back. Exhale, step it up in between the hands, coming to a lunge position. Keep those fingers down on the ground. We'll take an inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, rotate the back heel down flat and straighten that front knee, coming to pyramid pose. Don't worry if your knee doesn't come all the way straight. We don't need it to. You can also rest your hand here on the shins or a couple of blocks or something to elevate your hands if you need to. Inhale back to lunge, lower the hips, open the chest. Exhale, rotate the back heel down. Straighten this front knee. Good, find the flow here. Inhale, lunge. Exhale, pyramid, Parshvakonasana. Inhale, lunge. Exhale, pyramid. Inhale, lunge. Exhale, pyramid. Good. Let's do one more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Now from here, keep your right hand down, plant it on the ground, or you can bring it to the ankle or the shin. And we'll extend the left arm up for Trikonasana, triangle pose. Good. Now from here, we'll inhale. Lift our body, letting the left hand rest on the back leg as the right arm reaches up and back for reverse triangle. Good. Exhale, come back to triangle, Trikonasana. Inhale, reverse triangle. Good. Exhale, triangle. Inhale, reverse triangle. Good. Do a couple more times on your own. We're going to end in triangle pose. Good. Bring that left hand down, come to a lunge position. Step the left foot up to meet the right and come to Uttanasana, forward fold. Good. You have a slight bend in the knees as you hang down, letting the top of your head face the ground if you can. We'll take an inhale, come up for Ardha Uttanasana, half lift, placing the hands on the shins, neck in line with the spine, flat back. Exhale, plant the hands in front of the feet. We'll step back to plank. And we'll lower knees, chest, and chin down to the mat. Good. Exhale. Inhale, come up for cobra. So keeping the hips grounded and lifting the chest. Exhale, lower back down. Tuck the toes under. Make your way back to down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Good. Take some breaths here. Let's do the other side now. Take an inhale, extend that left leg back. Exhale, step it up in between the hands. Come to that lunge position or up on the back toe. Open the heart, lift the chest, inhale. Exhale, rotate the back heel down flat, straighten the front knee. Good. Inhale, lunge. Exhale, pyramid. Inhale, lunge. Exhale, pyramid. Couple more rounds on your own here. Remember the breath. The breath is so important. Good. We'll end in our pyramid pose. Left hand stays on the ground or it comes to the shin or the ankle. Right arm extends up. Good. Now bring the body up. Let the right hand rest on the right leg as the left arm sweeps up and back. Reverse triangle. Inhale. Exhale, triangle. Good. Inhale, reverse triangle. Exhale, triangle. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do a couple more times. We'll end in Trikonasana, triangle. Inhale here. Exhale, right hand comes down, bend into the left knee, come to a lunge position. Step the right foot up to meet the left. Come to Uttanasana, forward fold. Good. Take an inhale, come up for a half lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, plant the hands in front of the feet. Step back to plank and lower. Knees, chest, chin down to the ground. Good. Exhale. Inhale, come up for cobra. Exhale, lower back down. And make your way back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Take an inhale near down dog. Exhale, drop down to the knees, come to a seated position. We'll sweep the arms up, inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Left hand outside of right knee, right fingertips rest behind you. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the left, same thing. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Good. Let's do one more time each side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale, release the arms down. Bring your feet flat onto the mat and make your way down to your back. And go ahead and extend those legs to straight. Now from here, we're going to lift our knees until they're floating over the hips and extend our arms up. Take an inhale. Exhale, extend left leg to straight and right arm to straight. Good. Inhale, back to the original position. Exhale, left arm to straight, right leg to straight. Inhale, back to original position. Left leg, right arm. Inhale. Exhale. Left arm, right leg. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg, right arm. Inhale. Exhale. Left arm, right leg. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Take an inhale here in this position. Exhale. Hug the knees in towards your chest. Rock side to side. Good. From here, take a big inhale. Hold. Squeeze yourself into a ball. Exhale. Release to Shavasana. Feet reaching towards the bottom corners of the mat. Arms rest at your sides, palms facing upward. Feel free to come to a more comfortable position if you need to, or a seated position. And we'll return to the breath again. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take another deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. One more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Good. Come back to the natural breath. Just noticing how your body feels. And noticing the path of each breath. The rise of your chest and your belly as you inhale. The emptying of your belly, the lowering of your chest as you exhale. The coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils. And the warmth as it exits them. Just gently notice the breath. While you're here, I'll say some affirmations to you, which you can repeat silently to yourself or aloud. I am fully present in my body. I accept things as they are in this moment. I choose observation over absorption. If you'd like to stay here longer, I invite you to pause this video now. Otherwise, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, coming back into your body, coming back into the room. And if you're laying down, roll to your favorite side using your arm as a pillow. As we take a moment here to reflect on our practice and to extend gratitude towards ourselves for doing something good for our minds and our bodies today. On your next inhale, if you're not already there, make your way up to a comfortable seat once again. And together we'll sweep the arms up overhead. Inhale, let the hands meet. Exhale, float them down to heart center. Namaste. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for day 14 of the Triple R Challenge. We are 2 weeks in. Time is flying. Let me know how you are enjoying the challenge below in the comments. Make sure you check the links in my description box. I recommend the song on my meditation album, which is linked below, Mantra or Space, to accompany this practice. There's also a link to my Patreon where we're tapping into sensual and feminine yoga, a link about joining my channel as a member if you'd like access to exclusive and longer videos, and a link to my Amazon storefront where you can find this outfit and all the outfits I've been wearing during the challenge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Peace and love.